Hey everybody, and welcome to Braless on Couch. I'm Halley from Evolve and Succeed. Thanks for bearing with me. We had a little bit of a tech kerfuffle. So let's talk about what today's topic is, which is also tell you how to fix it and what you should be looking for and how you should be fixing things, okay? Words are really, really important when it comes to your business online. And I know that seems like it seems too easy, right? Like when it comes to words, everyone's like, no, it doesn't matter. What matters is your strategy or how much you're launching or your Facebook ads. None of that shit works, and none of that will move you forward if you're not choosing the right words. When you go and look at somebody who is in the same industry as you, be it life coaching, be it copywriting, be it virtual assistants, be it designing, be it development, go and take a look right now. Open up somebody's website who you might have a little bit of envy around or jealousy around, because that's totally a normal feeling. If you have someone who you think is doing better than you, I want you to go and check it out, because first off, your feelings of being like, oh, they're doing the same thing as me is totally normal. And second off, when it comes to your business online, you need to be thinking about this right now, because at the end of the day, your business is actually make or break on the words you choose to talk about the things you do, okay? That is super, super important, and that's something that I need you to think about right now. The words about what you choose to, like, how you choose to present yourself is basically like how you look when you're talking to somebody online. When, like, how the words you choose are also how you present yourself, right? Like it's kind of your resume. So when it comes to your online world, you need to make sure that the words you're choosing in your industry make sense and help you stand apart, okay? Because at the end of the day, what we're trying to do is get the most people paying attention to you, kind of like a middle child, trying to figure out how to get all that attention so that we can go and sell to them next. And that's a really crucial bit that I need you to understand. The reason why your words are so important is they either get you attention or they don't, okay? They either create Teflon, where people just slide away, never to be seen again, or they're like super glue, okay? They get people excited to be talking to you and they bring you in and then they stuck with you for like the rest of your career online. So it's super, super important that when it does come to your business online, you are choosing the right words so that people know, oh shit, this is the person for me, okay? Now, how do I know this? Well, first off, I've been booked out since I discovered my method of being booked out. And I have hired a lot of contractors, VAs, designers, project managers, developers. I have been through a lot of websites online where I'm like, holy shit, you have chosen all the wrong words. So let's make sure that you're not doing that, because that sucks and I don't want that to happen to you. And instead, let's make this awesomeness happen. But first, I want you to go, and if you are somebody who booked out before, Be Booked Out is closing up in the next few hours, okay? So go and sign up right now. Go to bebookedout.com. Enrollment is closing for this round. Go and sign up. First off, I want you to know that if you join right now, you're going to be in the live program, which means that you're going to have 8 weeks of hanging out with me in the private Facebook group, hanging out with our student leaders who are awesome at their industry and they can help you with your industry. You're going to be able to have 12 months of Facebook group access, which means that you can redo the program again and again inside of that time. And basically, you're going to have lifetime access to the Be Booked Out method, which is only going to evolve with time because the internet is changing, and we always make sure that you have the best strategies and the best methods at your fingertips, okay? Super, super important. I want you to understand that we have got your back when it comes, I have got your back when it comes to being booked out all the time and having a service-based business. Because if you haven't realized this yet, the people who have been online for the longest, if they ever need money, if they ever have a tough spot where they have to make more funds, if they are ever, need a fallback plan, services is always their fallback plan. That is why people who are selling massive programs, massive courses online, always will use services as their fallback plan, because services will always be wanted and they know they can sell them easily and quickly, okay? So if you can sell services, you can sell anything else online, but you need to learn the marketing method that helps you with that, okay? So let's get you booked out so that you can take this marketing method and apply it to your next step, which might be opening an agency, which might be selling your first course or selling your program or whatever you want to do next. Learning a marketing method that helps you to be booked, like to sell your services online and launch your services online, can then be applied to any other adventure that you want to do, okay? So let's make sure that you can always be booked out and that you're always succeeding by going to Be Booked Out right now, okay? So here are some words that are not working out for you and they are cock blocking your success, okay? Marketing. Yes, that word that I use is also a word that everybody else fucking uses. And marketing is just as vague as copywriting, coaching, designing, developing. All of these words to describe industries should not be used when you are trying to take people through and educate them and excite them, okay? It should not be used in your lunching. It should not be used to try to explain to people why they should give a shit. Marketing, development, design, etc. should only be used when it comes to your role title, okay? Strategic marketer, web developer, UX designer, etc. These things should only be used when they come to your titles, because otherwise they are circle jerk words, which are words that are used by other people in your industry because they know what they mean. And it doesn't matter because nobody else cares or gives a shit, okay? So do not use these words. They are stopping people from wanting to work with you, okay? Heart-centered, alignment, systems, basically anything where people are using that shit over and over again, that same term again and again and again. I'm going to help you automate, scale, delegate. All of these words have been used so many times, people don't give a shit, okay? So you need to go and bust out your thesaurus, and you need to find synonyms that will allow you to basically use different words or describe it in a different way so that it means the same thing so that people actually notice, okay? Your brain is always looking for something new, and if everybody's saying it the same way that you are, then it's not going to stand out to people, right? It's always going to be seen as the same thing. And then therefore you start to blend in with the rest. So the way that you are going to go and make more money, get more clients, be booked out, is to think about your marketing this way and say, okay, what words are being used out there? And if you've ever played Scattergories, my favorite, Scattergories is a game where basically the premise is that if someone has the same word as you, that gets canceled out, right? 0 points to both of you. Same thing for your marketing, okay? Scattergory style, if somebody has the same words as you, the same phrases, the same tagline, etc., you're both canceled out, okay? Zero points to both. So you need to make sure that when it comes to your marketing online, you are coming at it from a unique perspective, you're talking about it in a unique way, and you're not using the same words as everybody else, which I know is hard, but I can teach you how to do that and Be Booked Out. So go and join Be Booked Out right now, and let's make it change, because if your clients don't notice you, you're never going to get them, okay? You're never going to sign them, you're never going to book them. You need to be able to have that super glue ability of getting people in and getting them to stick with you, and the only way you can do that is through the words you choose and that content marketing that we work on and Be Booked Out, okay? I can get you booked out months in advance, but to do that, you need to go sign up right now because we are closing up soon, okay? All right, I'm Halley Gray from Evolve and Succeed, and thanks for watching Braless on Couch.